How you guys doing? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades, and here is TrendSpider. And basically, what we're going to talk about today, guys, we are going to talk about, we're going to talk about the stock that was trending today, and that's TBLT. TBLT. Let's see if we can zoom in. In fact, let's just change the time frame here real quick. Let's go down to the 15-minute. On TBLT, we had a spike up to, let's see, about 48 cents. I thought it was 50 cents earlier, but 48 cents. And, just for the sake of saying it, we are now down at, 35 cents? Okay, we went down 35 cents, pulled back up to 37 cents. And then now let's go back to the daily. And what do we have? All right, so basically what we're doing here is we're going to right-click on the candle at the top, create Alpha Trends Anchored VWAP. If you're not familiar with it, we will definitely talk about it more here, and you can go check it out with TrendSpider themselves, and you can check it out with Alpha Trends. They are great with this. And if you haven't checked out Brian Shannon's book, the Technical Analysis in Multiple Time Frames, definitely check that out too. So let's say you bought here, and you're wishing, hoping and praying and anything else you can do that your price is going to come back up. All right, so basically what we're seeing here is that your best bet for a nice resistance point possibly is 72 cents. Now, we're not saying that we can't cross these areas, and when you're thinking about crossing these areas, when you're thinking about any of these technical indicators, basically is it just going to come bust through, have a little upper shadow, and then continue within its trend, which is below at this point? Or will it actually break through and reverse the trend? So, it's kind of like when we break through these things, we got to be on high alert, kind of like somebody's in your house, you're on high alert, and then as soon as they leave, you can, all clear, everything's good. But if they're there, then, action has to take place. And that's what you have to do when you, anyways, when you cross a lot of these technical indicators. You either might want to sell, or you might want to hold in this case if you're trying to go long and get back to your price point. But anyways, that being said, back to this, 72 cents. Guys, that's not looking very good. I mean, this stock was just up against a possible reverse split, and they ended up getting the amount of money. I think, what was it, 6.5 or 5.5 million is what they need to have. I'll have to look into that with NASDAQ. They didn't have it anyway, so I think they got rid of some Class A stock or warrants and converted them into, converted those. So what we have now is everybody hoping and praying that this thing is going to fly, or you're just looking at this, you're just watching TBLT, and you're here for the first time, and you're just thinking, this is it, this is that breakout that this thing has been, needing so bad. Well, if we look at what happened today, I mean, it's really not looking like it. It's looking rather bad, actually. Looking like it always does. Anytime TBLT gets good news, basically this is about what you can expect, and a lower low. And then this, and then a lower low, and then this, and a lower low. So anyways, that's that with TBLT, and I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades, and this is the Anchored VWAP. And like I said, if you're interested in it, check out TrendSpider for yourself, and go check out Alpha Trends, Brian Shannon, Anchored VWAP. And I'm out of here. Thanks, guys.
Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.